we are at a party, and one of my family friends has this 1982 Chevy pickup. All right.
Yeah, I mean it's full of garbage, but
yeah, it's okay. I'm all classic.
It's got a Corvette engine in it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit. What year?
Like 80.
Oh yeah, look at that
I
thing.
don't know, 81 Corvette engine.
God.
Yeah, it's dirty, but you know it's a truck.
Oh, here. Let me give it the Zach touch.
Go ahead. There you go, big old Z.
Yeah. Zach. All right, I want to hear some revs. I want. Can you do a?
I gotta let warm
Can
up.
you do a?
before I rev it though?
Can you do a burnout?
No, no burnout. It's full of garbage.
So what? Come on, baby. Woo-hoo!
Gotta warm up.
That thing runs like a beast. What kind of exhaust does it have on it?
I think it's just straight pipe with a, it's got cherry bombs under it.
Oh yeah, I want my 72 Chevy to sound like this. Dude, I want to go for a ride.
Yeah, I would, but it's full of trash.
That's no excuse, bro. You got a badass truck.
3 speed?
What?
3 speed?
3-speed?
Yeah. Stick shift.
Aw, man. So it's got 3 pedals?
Yeah, it's got a clutch.
Yeah. Dang. The good old wind down. It's like,
The old
yeah.
butterflies.
Butterfly windows. Oh man, look at those.
Yeah.
And the wind down. My dad's got a 1980 Toyota.
Yeah. It's got
Same color.
Same color, white.
Yeah. With brown tan interior. That's cool though. I like that. That's
Yeah, it's old. But she runs pretty good.
yeah, she's idling.
Yeah, she's warmed up now. Doesn't take long in this temperature.
Oh man, I love the exhaust thing. Rev it up, man. Epic revs, man. Man, I love that. That is what hot rods are all about.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. That means that this truck is in fact fantastic.
Classic muscle.
Oh shit. Woo. You probably wake up all your neighbors.
I hardly ever drive it.
Oh. I would drive this thing every
the old
day.
white knight, baby.
Old white knight?
Old white knight.
That's what you call it?
Why not?
That's so sick. I'd call it the Yeti.
Got a little exhaust leak, but
You know what?
over here on the header.
Hey,
Yeti.
it's so badass. We should call it the Yeti. It's
The Yeti.
white with a blue interior. Think about it.
The Yeti.
The Yeti.
The Yeti.
Isn't that cool? That's the Yeti. So yeah, that's the Yeti, guys. You like that name better?
Yeah. We'll name her the Yeti. Not too shabby though, huh?
Huh? Now that's a fantastic truck. that is exactly what I want my 72 Chevy when I get it to sound like.
Sounds pretty good, huh?
Oh man, I forgot your name again, man.
Casey.
Casey. Man, oh man. Oh, that was.
Did that make your day?
That was.